HIPAA versus FERPA, streamlining higher education compliance. Higher education institutions operate in an increasingly complex regulatory environment where protecting student privacy is both a legal obligation and an ethical responsibility. Two of the most significant federal laws governing the privacy and security of student information are the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA, and the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, FERPA. Although these laws share the common objective of safeguarding sensitive information, they differ in their scope, application, and compliance requirements. Colleges and universities often face challenges in determining which law applies to specific records, particularly when healthcare services are provided on campus. Streamlining compliance across HIPAA and FERPA is essential for reducing administrative burdens, minimizing legal risks, and ensuring consistent protection of student information. Compliance challenges in higher education. Universities frequently encounter situations where determining the applicable law is not straightforward. Campus counseling centers, student health clinics, athletic departments, disability services, and research programs may each maintain different categories of sensitive information. For example, a student's immunization records maintained by the campus health center may be protected under FERPA if they are part of the student's education record. However, the same institution's employee health clinic serving faculty and staff would generally fall under HIPAA because those records are employment-related healthcare records rather than student education records. Technology further complicates compliance. Universities increasingly rely on cloud-based electronic health records, learning management systems, student information systems, and integrated data platforms. Without proper governance, institutions risk inappropriate data sharing between departments, inconsistent security controls, and accidental privacy violations. Additionally, employees often receive training on one regulation but lack understanding of the other. This knowledge gap can result in improper disclosures, delayed responses to information requests, or inconsistent privacy practices across campus. Strategies for streamlining compliance. Establish clear data classification policies. Higher education institutions should clearly identify which records are governed by FERPA, HIPAA, or other privacy regulations. Proper data classification helps employees understand how to store, access, and share sensitive information while reducing confusion and the risk of unauthorized disclosures. Provide comprehensive privacy and compliance training. Regular training ensures that faculty, staff, healthcare providers, and administrators understand their responsibilities under FERPA and HIPAA. Using practical examples helps employees apply privacy requirements correctly and reduces compliance errors. Develop a centralized privacy governance program. A centralized governance program promotes consistent compliance across departments. By involving legal, IT, healthcare, and student services, institutions can improve communication, standardize policies, and make informed privacy decisions. Strengthen information security and access controls. Strong security measures help protect sensitive student and healthcare information. Role-based access, encryption, multi-factor authentication, and regular security assessments reduce the risk of unauthorized access and data breaches. Create a coordinated incident response plan. A well-defined incident response plan enables institutions to respond quickly to privacy incidents. Clear reporting procedures and assigned responsibilities help minimize harm and ensure compliance with legal requirements. Conduct regular compliance audits and risk assessments. Routine audits and risk assessments help institutions identify compliance gaps and improve existing policies. Ongoing evaluations ensure that privacy and security practices remain effective as regulations and technologies evolve. Benefits of an integrated compliance framework. Reduced administrative complexity. An integrated compliance framework simplifies privacy management by creating standardized policies that address both FERPA and HIPAA requirements. Unified procedures reduce confusion, eliminate duplicate efforts, and promote consistent handling of sensitive information across departments. Improved operational efficiency. Streamlined compliance improves efficiency by establishing clear workflows and responsibilities. Better coordination between departments allows institutions to respond more quickly to information requests while reducing administrative burdens. Enhanced data security. Combining privacy policies with strong cybersecurity practices helps protect sensitive information from unauthorized access and data breaches. Measures such as role-based access controls, encryption, and regular security assessments strengthen overall data protection. Reduced legal and financial risk. Effective compliance programs lower the risk of privacy violations, regulatory investigations, and legal penalties. Clear policies, employee training, and routine audits help institutions identify and address compliance issues before they become significant problems. Increase student trust and confidence. Strong privacy practices reassure students that their personal and health information will remain confidential. This trust encourages students to use campus resources, including healthcare, counseling, and disability support services. Greater institutional resilience. An integrated compliance framework helps institutions adapt to changing regulations, evolving technologies, and new cybersecurity threats. Regular policy reviews and risk assessments support continuous improvement and long-term compliance. Does your staff need HIPAA or FERPA training? CampusGuard's online training courses for HIPAA and FERPA are engaging and feature enhanced content delivery and interactive elements and gamification for a more immersive experience. To learn more about our HIPAA Awareness Training course, visit campusguard.com/HIPAA-awareness-training-course. Learn more about our FERPA training course by visiting campusguard.com/FERPA-training-course. Links found in the description box. Need more information about the key differences between HIPAA and FERPA and how to streamline operations? Download our free HIPAA versus FERPA guide and checklist. This helpful guide and checklist provide an overview of two key U.S. privacy regulations and explain how higher education institutions can effectively manage compliance when educational and healthcare information coexist within the same environment. Download now at campusguard.com/post/HIPAA-BS-FERPA-streamlining-compliance-higher-ed-guide-checklist. Need help with HIPAA or FERPA compliance? Reach out to CampusGuard to get started at campusguard.com/contact-us. Want to learn more about our HIPAA and FERPA compliance services? Visit our website at campusguard.com/HIPAA and campusguard.com/FERPA. Links found in the description box. For even more resources about HIPAA and FERPA, we've provided links to helpful articles in the description box. You can also check out our blog at campusguard.com/insights.